Welcome to my channel by Dr.G.R. for this video class regarding how to draw the involute for the circle. As discussed in my previous video class 13, the releasing of string from the circle produces the involute how, and the procedure to draw the involute etc. we are going to see through the step-by-step procedure in easy steps. Before that, the problem is to be understood. Let me read it now and is given here. Draw the involute of a circle whose diameter is given as 60 mm. Also draw the tangent and normal to the involute. Usually this diameter will be given lesser. Here it is given higher diameter for easy visibility and also to understand. As already told, remaining here once again, listen whether diameter or radius is given. Always circle is to be drawn based on radius only. If diameter is given, convert into radius and hence it is 60 divided by 2 30 mm. Based on the usage of data, problem is completed and the final drawing is shown here. This is only for immediate reference. However, the drawing is to be done only by step-by-step procedure for easy understanding. Now, as per step 1, based on the radius, take 30 mm in the compass and draw a circle as shown. Draw a perpendicular line through the center of the circle and it meets the bottom point at A. Now, we take this point A as the starting point of the string and releasing point. Then, as per step 2, divide the circle into 12 equal parts. That is, to draw the involute part, the circle is divided into 12 convenient number of equal parts based at the center point O. Now, draw all the lines at the circle center O using mini drafter as shown with 30° each, and now give numbering in the clockwise direction at the circumference of the circle as shown from 1 to 12. Since string end is released and lengthened to 12, circular length of the circle for 12 parts. Here 12th point is coincidable to A point and not shown. As per step 3, draw horizontal line at A and divide. So, this 12 circular length should be converted into horizontal line using circumference of the circle formula, and hence draw a line starting from A as shown. The length of the line is pi d and the diameter is given in the problem as 60 mm, and hence pi into 60 equal to 188.5 mm, and name the other end of the horizontal as B. Then divide them into 12 equal parts using divider or compass, since the circle is also divided only into 12 equal parts. That is 188.5 divided by 12 equal to 15.7 mm each. There would be a fractional difference of balance while dividing, that is approximately equal to 0.1 mm only in total for the 12 parts. This is negligible and not measurable here since using millimeter divisional scaling. Even still, accuracy necessary, dividing a straight line into required equal number of parts method may be used for the line, and for details may refer my previous EG video class 3. Next step is to give numberings on the straight line as 1 dash, 2 dash, etc. up to 12 dash as shown, but 12 dash coincidable to B not mentioned. As per step 4, draw tangents to all points. Here, draw tangent to all circle points, that is at 90 degree to the radius line as shown. While drawing tangent to enable marking suitably, the tangents may be extended from 1 to 11 with successively at increased length approximately. Even not sufficient length drawn, it is not a problem. And later, when marking also, the tangential lines may be extended based on the required length. Next, as per step 5, mark 1 to 1 double dash. Now the length marking is important with proper length without mistake. For this, remember to take all the length only from horizontal line AB and mark in the successive tangential line. That is, first take A to 1 dash as distance using compass and mark it from circle point 1 as distance to the corresponding tangential line as shown. Mark this point as 1 double dash. Next, as per step 6, mark up to 12 double dash in all tangents. Mark all the points similarly, that is taking A to 2 dash as distance on the line and mark it from 2 to 2 double dash as shown. Then A to 3 dash as length, mark it on the 3 to 3 double dash on the line. Similarly, A to 4 dash and up to A to 11 dash it may be marked, that is A to 11 dash as the length, mark it on the line 11 to 11 double dash as shown. As per step 7, join all the points. Now all the points on the involute path has been marked as shown, and so join all of them smoothly with free hand without line overlap with good appearance. That is, join A to 1 double dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, 5 double dash, 6 double dash, 7 double dash, etc. up to 11 double dash, then up to B. Join all the points. This curve is the required involute of the circle. Now, as per step 8, draw tangent and normal. To draw tangent and normal, select any point R on the involute line as shown. Join this point with the circle center point O using 50% of the length of this line as radius. Draw a semicircle from the midpoint of the line as shown. This cuts the 60 mm diameter circle at a point, mark it as T. Join this T with the point R and extend, then name it as T dash at the end, so that T to T dash is the required normal to the involute at the point R as shown. Now draw a perpendicular line to this normal through R and is touching the involute as shown. Mark this as S to S dash, and this is the required tangent to the involute at the point R. Now, as per step 9, dimension and pencil grade are to be checked. Now already we have mentioned the dimension here as pi d. Next we have to mention as involute. The name of the curve should be mentioned here like involute. Then the tangent or normal should also be written inverse as shown here. And HB pencil may be used for dark lines to draw the involute, tangent and normal. And 2H pencil may be used for the thin and supporting lines as shown here. Now subscription and pressing a bell icon may be done without forgetting. Thank you by Dr. G.R. and OK. We'll see in the next video class.